Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful endless card for birthday with the quilling decoration envelope. So this is the card and this is the never-ending card. I have added some handmade drawings inside the cards. Isn't it very cute idea, and it's very easy to create. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need some multicolored 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, black marker, ruler, quilling tool, ball tool, pencil, paper cutter, pink color thick sheet, some pattern papers, colored pencils and scissors. First I am taking this pink sheet which measures 18 by 14 centimeters, and from the left side I am marking on 4.5 and 13.5 centimeters. I am repeating in the bottom. Now just join these points and using the ball tool make a crease. Like this. Now rotate your paper. Again from the left side I am marking on 3.5 centimeters and 10.5 centimeters. Repeating in the bottom. Again join these points and make a crease. Like this. Now fold all the creases. Like this. Now I will cut this cross section inside this rectangle from this to this point and from this to this point. So your card is ready. Yes, it's very easy. Now I will fold all the creases properly using my bone folder. So it will work like this. Okay, now to decorate this I am making some drawings. For this I have already created this boy and girl on the 6 by 3.5 centimeters paper size. So I have created two different drawings. Now I will just outline and color these pictures. You can create any drawing of your choice. Now cutting this from the center and separating both the pictures. Now I am taking red color base and connecting these drawings on red color paper. In the same way, I am making one more 8 by 6 centimeter drawing. Here I have created one cupcake. So again I am outlining and coloring this cupcake. So the cupcake is also ready. Now I am adding this cupcake on red color paper. Now just getting the center and making a line. Now I will cut this picture from the center so that we can connect this to our endless card. So it will look like this. Now I am adding some pattern papers inside the endless card, and also I will add our drawings. So the beautiful endless card is ready. Isn't it super cute and very easy idea to create for the birthday or any occasion? Now I am creating the envelope. For this I am taking 15 by 18.5 centimeter sheet and 15 by 9 centimeter sheet. So actually here I am creating the envelope for the card. Now I am taking these connectors. This small one measures 9 by 2 centimeters and this bigger one measures 15 by 3 centimeters. Now I am just folding this connector in half and chopping the corners. Now add these connector on 3 sides. like this. Now take back your base and connect this pocket. Now I'm taking this 14 by 8 centimeter pattern paper and connecting the pattern paper in the front part of the envelope. And now you can put your card inside this envelope like this. Now to decorate the envelope, I am making some quilling flowers. For the first flower, I am taking half strip of dark peach color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Like this. In the same way, we need total 10 teardrop shapes. Now I am joining all the shapes together, and for the center I am using half cut pearl. So the flower is ready. Now I will show you this yellow flower. For this I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight leaf shape. Like this. Now I am joining 5 petals together and making the flower, and again I am adding half cut pearl in the center. So flowers are ready. Now I will show you how to create leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green color and making one leaf shape. So I have already created 2 leaves and joined like V shape. Now I am connecting the third one in the center. So leaves are ready. I have also created some scrolls. For this I am taking this bunch of 6 strips together. One strip length is approx 6 centimeters. Now I am just rolling this bunch using tweezer and my fingers. Cut excess strip from the bottom and secure all the ends. So scrolls are ready. Now I will decorate the front envelope using these flowers and scrolls. Also I have written this "Have a wonderful day" sentiment, so I am adding this sentiment on right side. So the beautiful envelope is also ready. So very easy and very cute birthday endless card with the quilled envelope is completed. And it's very easy to operate as well. I'm sure you will try this card very soon to give this card to your nearers and dearers. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.